This is a 1957 Chevy Cameo pickup truck. Beautiful truck, red and white color scheme. It's for auction at the Lakeland Linder airport in the Carlisle auction. Wide white walls, as you can see, and it was certainly a demonstration that trucks could be just as deluxe as cars. Notice the wood bed here in the back. Beautifully done. And back window that goes all the way across the back. Taking a look inside. Now the doors are pretty plain, but look at those seats. Beautifully color coordinated. And you'll notice that this car has hydromatic, or did have hydromatic. I should say this truck. But actually, there you see the remnants of it with the shifter there and the quadrants. But a newer Turbo 350 automatic has been installed, and that's controlled by this shifter here on the floor. It also has air conditioning too. Vintage air, I believe. So this truck is ready for the highway at any time of year. I love that side trim. Beautifully done. Now, this truck certainly could go anywhere in terms of its luxury. It'd be home at any place. Another look inside. As it says hydromatic, that's what they put on the truck to let people know it had automatic transmission. This one has had that unit replaced by a more modern transmission. There you see the V8, and you see the air conditioning equipment. And here is a sticker that tells us what the truck has. Vintage AC, four shifter with that new transmission. So, I don't know whether it's sold at auction or not, but it's certainly a beautiful truck.